he cost me 300 RMB more, so it cost me about 1600 RMB. Actual cost is 1300 RMB. So the screen size is 5.8 inch, rear camera 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel, front camera is 16 megapixel. It supports AI and Snapdragon 636, and it supports quick charge 3.0. So let's open the box. I bought Nokia earbud after 10 years, you can say it. So the look is really cool. We will watch it later. Let's see what's inside the box. So this is a data cable of USB-C, and this phone support quick charge, and the adapter Nokia. This is 5 volt 2 ampere, not the quick charger, so we have to buy it separately, same like Xiaomi. And the silicone cover and some manual instructions, everything in Chinese. So let's open the phone. The packing is really cool. So wow, the look is really awesome. The back side also have a glass look, and it really look like a premium phone. They have a Nokia logo. So it have USB-C type charging port. Let's begin it. Powered by Android. This phone have a notch, and in this price range it's awesome. If we talk about the actual price, only 1300. This variant is 4 GB and 32 GB. So this is a basic setup. Fingerprint lock. Let's see. So it's quick. And face unlock. Yeah, done. So the setup is complete, and it looked really good. So Nokia on the lower side, front camera is 16 megapixel. On the upper side there is 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and there's a nice Constellation mic. On the side there is the SIM tray. This phone has a hybrid SIM tray, so you can use memory card also. On the lower, the USB-C to speaker, one speaker and mic. And the side, volume button and power on button. So on the back side, the look is so good, made of glass. And the front rear camera is 16 megapixel with f2.2 aperture and 5 megapixel with f2.0 aperture, and the fingerprint unlock. And the face lock is really cool and so quick, you can see, recognized. I started download Antutu benchmark, so we can see, just look at our basic info of our phone. Nokia X6, Android 8.10, resolution 1080 by 2280, rear 16.3 megapixel, Snapdragon 636, front camera 16.3 megapixel, battery is only 3030 mAh. So let's begin the test. So the score is 100 15,323. Not so good as compared to Mi 6X. It's more than 131,588. Now let's check the speaker in this phone. Voice is really good. So now let's play Subway Surfer. So this phone is Snapdragon 636, so the games will be really smooth. So I will give you a camera review, a gaming review, and some comparison of Mi 6X with this one or Redmi Note 5 Pro. So the game is really smooth. It's a basic game. So Nokia 6X have a hybrid SIM tray. You can put a memory card or two SIM card. So this support memory card. So how about the camera? This phone have 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear camera, and front camera is 16 megapixel, and the fracture is 2.2 aperture, and the secondary one is f 2.0 aperture. Just click a picture. I will give you a camera review later. So it's clear and nice. So we can have a panorama, live watch, pro, setting. So in settings, shutter controls, shutter sound, and the resolution is for 16 megapixel. The photo is 4:3, and the front is also 4:3 for the 16 megapixel. These are the basic features. And the front camera is also 16 megapixel. So first one is beauty on single dual. Yeah, this is a new feature in this phone. The one face is the rear camera and half of is the front camera, and this one is also like we are talking on Skype. So this is a new feature I found. In next video I will show you the complete camera review and the manuals. About the video setting, this phone support 4K recording, but not in the front camera. As per the price, the phone is really not bad, but this is my first day, so I will review other things later. So you can write your comment which video you need for this phone, next one, comparison or something like that. Some few videos for Mi 6X are